Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. So in this video, I'm going to explain you one of the trade which I've taken recently. It's a very simple 1 hour time frame breakout pattern. The risk reward is too good in this trade. So it's like 1:8 risk reward ratio. So for example, my risk in this trade was right around 7,500 and the profit I got is around 55,000. So it's a great risk reward ratio and it's a very simple pattern. So I'm just going to show you how I took this trade, and also please let me know in the comment section what stock you traded this week and also what pattern you used for it. And please do not forget to like this video as a lot of effort goes into it. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, so right after I recorded this video, my profit in Hindustan Unilever has just increased to 61,800, and so the risk reward ratio has also significantly increased. So I'll just explain you how I took this trade. So it's a very simple 1 hour time frame pattern breakout. So if you look at it, there has been 4 resistance at the top and 3 supports at the bottom, right? And my entry was right here, okay? And my stop loss has been this, exactly at the day low. You could keep either below the trend line or below the day low. It all depends on your risk appetite. And my entry was here and stop loss is here. All I did was just to hold on to this trade. So I didn't exit this trade when it touched 1:2 or 1:3, because there was no reason for me to exit this trade, right? Right from the beginning there has been significant buying, there has been no sell off, and there has been no indication of sell off, right? So I just kept on holding and I exited this trade right after 1 hour candle of Friday. So I entered in this trade last Friday, the previous Friday, and I exited this trade this Friday. So I was holding this trade for a week and I was able to get almost close to 1:9 risk reward setup, right? If you look at it, it has given more than 1:9.3, but I closed it right at 1 hour candle of Friday, end of the 1 hour candle, okay? And this still looks great, guys. In terms of weekly time frame, it still looks bullish, and it has all the potential to touch the high of previous high of Hindustan Unilever. So on Monday you can definitely have an eye on the stock, and if your risk is low, you can definitely consider. And again, please do not enter just because I said it. Just make sure the risk is very less before you enter, okay? And this has been posted in our community as well. We traded this stock and many made good money out of it. And apart from this, we also traded Maruti Suzuki, which is a very good trade, very good breakout from a 1 hour pattern. So this is the pattern. If you look at it, there has been beautiful 4 resistance at the top, and again 1 2 3 3 supports at the bottom, and kind of a support in this trend line, and then there is a breakout. So your entry could be here, and your stop loss would be either this swing low or below the trend line. It all depends on your risk appetite. I would have kept my first stop loss here, and look at this. This is again 1:4 trade. Very good trade, guys. Even 1:2 or 1:3 is still great. And yes, we posted this right before the breakout and we were able to capture it in our community. So this is where we teach you the real price action techniques, and we also post these breakouts. This is how you learn. You are not going to learn just from the videos, pre-recorded videos. You will also learn throughout the year, from the charts that we post, okay? Please make sure to like this video as a lot of effort goes into editing, and also let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet for more educational content, and see you soon with another video. Thank you so much.